Sharad Utsav, as the name itself suggests, is the advent of the yearly festival of Durga Puja. It fills the heart of every Bengali scattered through different parts of the world with all-consuming love and devotion. It celebrates the return of Goddess Durga to the home of her parents. Devi Durga is considered as the feminine epitome of strength. Ma Durga is ferocious to the demons and at the same time highly kind to her devotees. Her vehicle or Vahan is the lion and indicates that she possesses unlimited power and uses it to protect virtue and destroy evil. There are numerous incarnations of Ma Durga, including Kali, Bhavani, Ambika, Gauri, and Meenakshi, among many others. She is combined power of all divine beings. This 10-day festival is eagerly looked forward to with great expectations. The rich and poor, young and old, take joy in shopping for new clothes and compete with each other to find out who has bought more dresses. There is a lot of exchanging of gifts and sweets while visiting relatives and friends.
Ma Durga is the epitome of strength in feminine form. She is destroyer of all evils and demons, but supports and protects all her children against all evil forces. 10 arms of Durga symbolizes her protective force from all 10 directions for her devotees. Her 10 hands with various items and instruments in her hand signifies 10 different aspects. Shankha, gifted by Lord Varuna, symbolizing Om, from which entire creation is emerged. Chakra, gifted by Lord Vishnu, indicating Ma Durga is the center of all creations. Lotus, gifted by Lord Brahma, which stands for awakening of spiritual consciousness. Short, marking sharpness of intellect. Bow and arrow, gifted by Vayu and Surya, symbolizing energy. Trishul, gifted by Lord Shiva. The 3 points are Tama, Raja and Shakti. Gada, which enjoins human to exhibit loyalty, love and devotion. Thunderbolt, gifted by Lord Indra, symbolizing firmness of spirit. Snake, which indicates the upward movement from the lower state of consciousness to the higher state of existence. Axe, gifted by Lord Vishwakarma, signify no fear of consequences in fighting against the evil.
Jagata
The sound of the dak or drums and the smell of dhoop fills each pandal, but the iconic Dhanush dance is the most looked forward to. The dancers, decked up in colorful clothes, balance clay pots filled with coconut husk and powdered incense. They hold it in both their hands and also in the mouth. The sight is spectacular as the dancers dance to the beat of the dak. This dance is performed to thank Goddess Durga and to seek her blessings. Finally, when the 10 days are over, it is time to bid farewell to Mother Durga. Sindoor Khela, meaning vermilion game, is a Bengali Hindu tradition where women smear each other with sindoor on Vijaya Dashami Day, the last day of Durga Puja. It is also a very emotional parting when Ma Durga returns to her sasural. Pan leaves are used to wipe the tears from her cheeks and to bid adieu.